Fuel injection is the backbone of diesel engine performance, and while it's not something most people think about daily, it is absolutely critical. At the center of this system is the fuel injection pump plunger, specifically the P564 model. This small component has a massive impact on how a diesel engine functions, influencing fuel delivery, combustion efficiency, and overall engine reliability. Diesel engines operate on a different principle than gasoline engines. Instead of using spark plugs, diesel engines rely on compression to ignite fuel. Air is compressed to extremely high pressure and temperature, and fuel must be injected at the precise moment and pressure to ensure efficient combustion. The P564 fuel injection pump plunger is designed to deliver this fuel with unmatched precision, making it a vital part of any diesel engine. One of the most notable features of the P564 plunger is its precision engineering. Diesel engines subject components to extremely high pressures and heat, and the plunger must maintain consistent performance throughout. Any inconsistency in fuel delivery can result in reduced power, poor fuel efficiency, and even long-term damage to the engine. The P564 addresses these concerns through its high-quality construction, ensuring every engine cycle delivers consistent results. Durability is another key factor. The P564 is made from top-grade materials that resist wear even under heavy use. This plunger is built to last thousands of hours without significant degradation, making it a reliable choice for industrial machinery, trucks, construction equipment, and other diesel-powered vehicles. It's not just about short-term performance, it's about keeping engines running optimally over the long haul. Compatibility is also essential. The P564 is designed to work with a wide range of diesel engines, making it versatile for many applications. Whether you're maintaining heavy machinery, upgrading a truck, or working with specialized equipment, this plunger integrates seamlessly into the fuel injection pump, maintaining the manufacturer's specifications for timing, stroke, and fuel pressure. This ensures predictable performance without the variability of low-quality alternatives. Performance improvements with the P564 are subtle but significant. A properly functioning plunger ensures smooth acceleration, stable idling, and efficient fuel consumption. Over time, this results in reduced maintenance costs, extended engine lifespan, and more reliable operation. For commercial operators, this means lower operating expenses and less downtime. For individual users or diesel enthusiasts, it translates to a more responsive, predictable engine. Consistency is crucial when it comes to fuel injection. Many aftermarket plungers may function well initially but wear unevenly, causing irregular fuel delivery and engine performance issues. The P564 is manufactured with exacting tolerances, ensuring every unit delivers consistent performance across its lifespan. This is especially important in applications where engine reliability is critical, such as in commercial fleets or industrial machinery. Maintenance plays a vital role in how a fuel injection pump plunger performs. Diesel fuel must be clean, and components must be properly lubricated to avoid premature wear. The P564's design makes it more resistant to clogging and uneven wear, and when combined with regular maintenance practices like fuel filter replacement and injector inspection, it ensures optimal performance. High-quality components like this plunger minimize the risk of engine problems, making maintenance more predictable and less costly. Installation is relatively straightforward for experienced technicians, but even for beginners, proper guidance ensures the component functions as intended. The P564 is engineered to fit precisely inside the fuel injection pump, maintaining accurate stroke and pressure specifications. This precision guarantees that once installed, the engine operates as efficiently as possible, without any unexpected fluctuations in performance. When considering diesel engine replacements or upgrades, it's tempting to go for cheaper options. However, low-quality components can compromise engine efficiency, accelerate wear, and even cause catastrophic failure. The P564 is an investment in your engine's health, ensuring consistent fuel delivery and protecting internal components. Over time, choosing a reliable plunger pays off through better fuel economy, improved performance, and fewer repairs. In practical use, the P564 plunger contributes to noticeable improvements in how a diesel engine performs under load. Engines equipped with high-quality plungers run more smoothly, respond more accurately to throttle inputs, and maintain higher efficiency under all operating conditions. Whether it's